All right, let's go over example 2 in chapter 1, section 3, order of operations. Example 2 is using order of operations with exponents. So very similar to the last example, but this time we will be using exponents within our expression. Okay, so first we're going to evaluate 30 divided by, and then 7 plus 2 to the third power in parentheses times 6. Okay, so let's look at our order of operations here. Our first one is please, parentheses. Do we have any parentheses within our expression? Yes, we do. We have 7 plus 2 to the power of 3 within our parentheses. So first, I'm just going to retype the beginning of our expression here so we don't forget it, which is 30 divided by, oh, come on, let's highlight. There we go. 30 divided by. And then, so let's take a look at what's inside our parentheses. We have 7 plus 2 to the third power. Well, so when we solve within our parentheses, we're also going to refer back to our order of operations. And so then we have parentheses, okay, no parentheses within our parentheses. And then the next thing is exponents. And we do have an exponent within our parentheses. So we're going to solve that first. So 7 plus, so we need to solve 2 to the third power, which again, like we learned in the last section, would be the same as 2 times 2 times 2, right? The little 3 tells us how many 2's we need to multiply together. So 2 times 2 times 2, which is, can you find it? 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. Okay, so let's jump back to our expression here. So it's going to be 7 plus 8, into parentheses, times 6. Okay, so what do we do first? Let's make note of that. We evaluated 2 to the third power. I'm just going to copy that here, hopefully. It's not liking that. We evaluated 2 to the third power. Okay, we solved within our parentheses. And now we need to continue solving within our parentheses. And just copy my division. Oh my goodness, this is jumping around like crazy. Copy my division symbol here. Maybe. Okay. Okay, so equals 30 divided by. Okay, so let's take a look at our expression now. So now we have 30 divided by 7 plus 8 in parentheses times 6. So we need to continue solving those parentheses. So now we have 7 plus 8, which is 15 times 6. So we performed operation, within parentheses. Okay, now let's take a look at what we need to do next. So we have 30 divided by 15 times 6. We don't have parentheses, we don't have exponents, multiply or divide from left to right. So just like we're reading, first we're going to solve 30 divided by 15. Not 15 times 6, we're working left to right. So 30 divided by 15 is 2. So we're left with 2 times 6. So let's make note of what we did. We divided 30 by 15. Okay, so we're left with 2 times 6, which is 12. And how did we get that? We multiplied 2 and 6. So 12 would be our answer to this long expression up there. Okay, let's try and evaluate 6 plus parentheses 5 minus 7 divided by 3. I want you to take a moment and try and solve that on your own and watch the next video for me going through it. Okay?